Hi, this is Garrett Flynn from Catalyst Neuro. Today, I'll be introducing you to a pre-alpha version of the NWB Graphical User Interface for Data Entry, or NWB Guide, a simple entry point to the Neurodata Without Borders ecosystem for any lab interested in adopting the standard. Over the coming months, we look forward to working with members of the NWB community to test and improve the platform based on user needs and feedback. To view your conversions, you'll use the corresponding button on the left-hand sidebar. All existing conversions will be listed at the bottom of the page. While you press the Convert a New Dataset icon to begin a conversion from scratch, we'll open the ongoing NWB Guide tutorial data project for this demonstration, which you can generate yourself using the tutorial page on the sidebar. After a page with some information about the guide's workflow, you'll be provided with an input for the name property, which is used as an identifier for the rest of the process. The next two pages, NWB file and subject, allow you to specify global metadata for all sessions in the project, such as a list of experimenters or the genotype for your subjects. On the data formats page, you should specify all the source data interfaces for your conversion. We currently support Phi and SpikeGLX data, though all the interfaces we intend to support are searchable here. On the Locate Data page, you can decide to programmatically or manually specify all of your project's source data in their locations, which will later be used to extract information for the conversion. To programmatically extract your source data, a base directory and a formatting pattern that describes the structure of your data directory must be provided. Guide will automatically identify matching files and directories on your system and extract metadata such as subject ID and session ID from them. The extracted data will be listed as a table of subjects and sessions on the next page. Since some required metadata for our subjects is missing, let's add that in. To add a session that was not found using path expansion, you can add an entry in the comma-separated list of sessions. Additional subjects can be added by creating a row and specifying both the subject ID and a list of sessions. Next, we can confirm that the source data for each of our sessions is correct. Since we manually added a session to our list, we'll have to fill that source data in manually. Once everything has been filled in, the form should visually indicate using a green checkbox that we're ready to move on to the next page. When we press Save and Continue, metadata will be automatically extracted from the provided source files and displayed on the next page. The colored indicators show file issues. For instance, each session is currently missing a subject age, which can be either specified as an ISO 8601 duration or a date of birth. Warnings are provided to indicate best practices. For instance, these sessions don't have an experiment description, but these will not block your progress on the app. When you move on from the metadata page, the guide will automatically request a preview of a random sessions conversion output, which you should confirm is properly specified. After this, you can start the full conversion of your data. Since we're working on test data, this will be relatively quick. The last step of running a conversion is to upload your files to the Dandy archive. This will require you to create a new Dandy set on Dandy. From this, you can paste your Dandy set ID and API key onto the upload page. After your files have been uploaded, you'll get confirmation of the success of your conversion on a final page. We hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of the NWB guide, and we look forward to receiving your feedback about future iterations of this tool.